start part 2. So we talked about the Sami people in the past. Okay, they were nomads like the Bedouin people, and they followed reindeer herds. Reindeer herds. Herds means groups of animals. So they used the reindeer for 3 things: food, clothes, and tools. Food, clothes, and tools. So they used the skin of the reindeer to make tents and boots. Number 2, the wool for making coats and hats. Number 3, antlers, which means each of the horns of the animals to make needles, spoons, and knives. Okay, look here. This is the word antlers. It means one of the animal's horns. Look here. It's one of these horns. Got it? So antlers equals one of the animal's horns. Number 2, the word needle. Your mother used it in sewing your clothes or fixing it. So needle is a thin piece of steel used for sewing. So what is the meaning of the word thin piece of steel used for sewing equals needle? We use it to make clothes. Okay, thanks a lot. Let's know about them. What did they do else? Okay, later they stayed on the coast. So when they stayed on the coast, do you know what is the meaning of the word coast? It's the land along the sea. So it's a land beside the sea. So what can I see there? I can see seas, oceans, lakes, and I can see gardens, for example, or farms. So they changed their jobs. By staying on the coast, they changed their job. They became fishermen and farmers. They became fishermen and farmers. So they changed their jobs. After being herdsmen, they became fishermen and farmers. So what were the jobs? They changed. After being herdsmen, they became fishermen and farmers. This happened because they stayed on the coast. What is the meaning of the word coast? It means land along the sea. A land along the sea. And herdsmen means people who take care of the animals. Okay, so they changed their jobs after moving to the coast. Okay, they became fishermen and farmers because along the coast you can find a lot of farms and a lot of oceans, seas, or any sea area. Okay, so they had to follow their reindeers. They had to follow their reindeers. Only few people who follow their herds. But how they follow these reindeers? They used 3 tools. 3 tools or 3 vehicles. 3 vehicles. What are they? Number 1, sledge. Number 2, skis. Number 3, scooters. What is the sledge here? Look at the word sledge. Yes, say it again. Sledge. Say it again. Sledge. It means vehicle for traveling on ice. It's a vehicle, we use it to travel on ice. So what is a sledge? It's a vehicle, we use it to travel on ice. Skis, you know it. It's kind of a sport like water ski and ice ski. And we wear it like boots here, and we wear it in order to ski on ice. Number 3, scooter. Number 3, scooter. It's like a motorcycle, but it's light. Again, what are the tools that they use to follow the reindeers? They were 3. Number 1, sledges. Number 1, sledges. What are sledges? They are vehicles for traveling on ice. Number 2, skis. It's kind of a sport. Number 3, scooters. Number 3, scooters. Scooters are light motorcycles. Scooters are light motorcycles. Okay, which one they used at the end? They used the fastest vehicle, which is the scooter. So which one they used to follow the reindeers? They used the fastest one, which was the scooter. So first, good Jr4. Thanks a lot. Okay, now let's go to another thing. Now we want to describe the Sami people. We want to describe them. You know that we study the descriptive paragraph or the descriptive essay. Okay, so we know how to describe people. We will start by her face and hair. Look here. What does she have? She has got long fair hair. She has got long fair hair. What is the meaning of the word fair? Fair means pale in color, means blonde or brown, sorry. Okay, so she has got an oval face with long fair hair. So what is she wearing, Jr4? She's wearing the traditional clothes of the Sami people. It's called the national costume. It's called national costume. What is the meaning of the word national? It's something connected with a particular country or a particular nation. Like our national anthem, we sing it every day. It's Bladi Bladi. So it's called the national costume. So it's related to our country. So this is the national costume. It's related to the Sapmi country. Okay, and what color of her dress? It's red. And their favorite colors, the Sami people favorite colors were green, blue, red. Green, blue, red, and sometimes yellow. So she's wearing a red dress that has got a border. Look here, a border. A border. What is a border? It's a strip around the edge of something. We put it around, for example, this sheet or this slide in order to decorate it. There is a fringe on her dress. There is a fringe on her dress. Look at the word fringe. This. You know the fringes, we can find it in the curtains. You know the curtains that we cover the window with? Yes, you can find it in the curtains. This is the fringe. They are blue, yellow, green. Okay, it's a fringe. Fringe, it's hanging threads attached to the edge of something to decorate it. Okay.